नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं फ़ोन व्यूमी। चाइनीज़ स्मार्टफ़ोन कंपनी पोको ने 6 अक्टूबर को भारतीय बाज़ार में अपने नए एंट्री लेवल स्मार्टफ़ोन पोको C3 को लॉन्च किया। पोको इंडिया के जनरल मैनेजर सी मनमोहन और कंट्री डायरेक्टर अनुज शर्मा ने इस स्मार्टफ़ोन को एक ऑनलाइन लॉन्चिंग इवेंट के ज़रिए लॉन्च किया। यह स्मार्टफ़ोन बाज़ार में पहले से ही मौजूद रेडमी 9C का ही रीब्रांडेड वर्ज़न है और इसकी कीमत भी रेडमी 9C के बराबर ही है। इस स्मार्टफ़ोन का कंपटीशन बाज़ार में पहले से मौजूद रेडमी के 9 सीरीज़ स्मार्टफ़ोन्स जैसे रेडमी 9A और रेडमी 9C के साथ-साथ रियलमी स्मार्टफ़ोन की C सीरीज़ के कुछ स्मार्टफ़ोन के साथ है। इस लॉन्चिंग इवेंट में कंपनी द्वारा बताई गई सभी जानकारियों के लिए इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखते रहिए। धन्यवाद।
Hi everyone, this is Manmohan here. Glad to be back with you all once again. This year we have been trying to do great things. From the very beginning, Poco has been focused on India as a market. Now because of this, we have delivered what all the Poco fans in India really need. Today, I'm extremely excited to be launching the next device from Poco, the game changer, Poco C3. Now to talk about this device, let's welcome Mr. Anuj Sharma, Country Director, Poco India.
Now we are talking about the Poco C3. There's an intentional C3 to it, and obviously the C stands for camera, and this is the triple camera setup that you get. So let's get straight into what this triple camera setup can do. Starting with the primary camera, you've got a 13 megapixel shooter. Let's take a look at a couple of samples which showcase what this camera can do. Now the first thing that we wanted to really capture is how do people come through. In today's times, it's really tough to do so. So these are the best examples of people photography that we could find. What you can obviously see is the entire vibrancy of this image. The colors as well as the overall detailing here is brilliant. Not to mention the sharpness. If you go behind these subjects and take a look at the stadium that's there, even the sharpness from there has been completely preserved. Now the second camera I want to talk about is the 2 megapixel macro camera. Here's a sample of a fruit. This is a kiwi fruit. But the amazing part about this camera is you can see the entire detailing from the seeds to the pulp of the fruit as well as the outer skin, which are incidentally called trichomes, and you can see each and every so-called trichome or hair follicle of this entire fruit. So now let's take a look at another macro sample. These are color pencils. We wanted to show you two things here. One is the detailing, right from the pencil tip all the way to the wood. All the detailing has been preserved perfectly. But also the fact that with the macro camera, you're getting a color output like this one. And now let's get to the third camera of the C3. And this one, of course, is a depth camera that lets you take great portrait shots. And the portrait shots don't have to be just people, but objects as well. Let's take a look at this particular example of a perfect portrait shot of this cricket trophy. What you can also see is the detailing and the sharpness that's been preserved of this batsman in front, as well as the edge detection and the beautiful depth to the background. And that's exactly what you want when you're putting a third camera there, which is helping you take better portraits. And that brings me to the end of the camera section. 3 amazing cameras that you can make the maximum use of. Now let's move on to the next aspect of the Poco C3, the design. How does the C3 look? It comes with the signature two-tone pattern, but not just that, you also get this amazing texture, which improves the overall hand feel. The grip is improved, as well as it reduces the overall fingerprints and the smudges that you have on other devices. And for the camera layout, you have the symmetrical square design that goes perfectly with the Poco C3. Now the Poco C3 comes in 3 amazing colors. You've got the Arctic blue, you've got a lime green, which is an amazing fusion of green and blue, and then of course the much loved matte black. Now coming on to one of the most important aspects of a smartphone, the display. So let's talk about the Poco C3 display. The Poco C3 comes with a large 6.53-inch display, and this display is a HD Plus display as well. So you are assured of both the resolution as well as the size on the Poco C3. It comes with a 20:9 tall aspect ratio. The Poco C3 comes with a dark mode. It makes it easier to view and overall enhances experience. Now the Poco C3 also comes with amazing performance. It's powered by the Helio G35 processor. It's got 8 cores of ARM Cortex-A53. These cores are clocked at 2.3 GHz. Even the GPU is super clocked at 680 MHz. And we are combining this performance with up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Now, if you want more storage, now you've got a 3-card slot, and on the Poco C3 you can expand by another 512 GB, giving you enough and more headroom for the years to come. And all of that combined gives you a rock solid performance. Now, we've talked about that display and we've talked about the performance. Well, of course, the next part has to be prolonged gaming. And this is where the Poco C3 starts to really shine. Well, for one, you've got the Hyper Engine technology. What it does is intelligently balances all the resources when you're playing a game. It also detects when you really need that extra spike of performance, and it's able to deliver that too. This ensures that you have a lag-free gaming experience whenever you're playing on the Poco C3. The Poco C3 comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Now, this 2-day battery is further optimized. You've got a power saving mode, you've got dynamic power management, and even application launch control to ensure that your battery lasts the maximum it can. Now, this large battery with all the optimizations gives you incredible standby time, almost 586 hours. Not just a bigger battery, but on the Poco C3 you get a better battery as well. Well, introducing Better Battery 2.0 with the Poco C3. Every battery out there has a limited number of charge cycles, which basically means that you can charge your battery to 100% and discharge it only a finite number of times. When that number runs out, your battery starts degrading. A battery that was, say, giving you 10 hours earlier will now give you 9 hours or 8 hours. Well, we found one solution to this in Better Battery 2.0. We are increasing your charge cycle count to almost 1000. That's 25% more than all the competition out there. And this leads to an incredible 3.2 years before your battery sees any degradation. Well, this is just one more area where on Poco, we've been really focused on giving you a better quality product.
What makes Poco C3 isn't just about specs, it's also the quality of the product. The screen on Poco C3 is TUV Rheinland reading mode certified. Now with this, you have little to no strain on your eyes while you're using the phone for extensive reading. On the exterior, we have also included the P2i splash-proof nano coating. Now with this, your phone is protected from accidental water splashes. Along with this, we also have included rubberized gasket seals and reinforced corners to add more durability for your smartphone. Even on the charger, we have added a spike guard of 380 volts. Now with this, even accidental voltage fluctuations will not damage your smartphone. Now that was quality on hardware. Moving on, quality on software. We have launched something what we call Poco Clean Experience, and this is available on all of your Poco products. With this Poco Clean Experience, which we are enabling with MIUI 12, you now have App Drawer, Google Discover Feed, and many more. And most importantly, there are no ads. And now moving on, Poco C3 is the real game changer. It comes with 13 megapixel AI triple cameras, a 5000 mAh battery, 6.53-inch large immersive display, and most importantly, a quality product with Poco Clean Experience. Now to the most interesting aspect, the pricing of the phone. Poco C3 comes in two variants, the 3GB RAM 32GB variant and 4GB RAM 64GB variant. The 3GB 32GB variant is priced at 7499 rupees only. The 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 8999 only. Now to the availability, Poco C3 will be available on Flipkart. With Poco C3, now we have the entire range, which we are calling the Poco Squad. The Poco X series, the Poco M Pro, the Poco M series, and the Poco C series. That's all from our side. Thank you so much. Goodbye.